So live your life. You steady chasing that paper, just live your life.
Back to my channel. Today we're going to be making some veggie sticks. But before we get into this video, you guys, I'm going to need you to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on that post notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. So let's get into this video, you guys. Alright, you guys, here we go. We have some veggie sticks. Now, before y'all come for me in the comments, yes, I did not put any seasoning on there because the batter already was seasoned, and the fries that I used, they were already seasoned, so I didn't want all that salty stuff. But yeah, so anyway, it did not come out how I wanted to, but let me see what it tastes like first, because I don't know what it tastes like. So that's gonna be the judge of that. So let's see what these joints taste like. And yeah, this is my first time trying these, so yeah. Let me see. Okay. These are good, y'all. I probably shouldn't have used so many potatoes, and I could have made more than just 2. So, but yeah, they did come out how the taste that I wanted. Definitely did do that. So that's why I always say that even if I feel like I'm messing up in a video, I'm gonna finish it out just to see how it tastes. So I'm glad I did that. And vegan homemade ranch. But yeah, dog, this right here, I'm gonna give it a 8 out of 10. The reason being because I used too many potatoes and I made them too big. I could have stretched it out and made like 4, but it is what it is. This is my first time trying it, but y'all, yeah, this is good. It's definitely good. They don't look how it tastes now, y'all. So let's not get it twisted. The next one I do, when I do it again, I'm gonna make them smaller. And I think I'm gonna probably use the just eggs and use less potatoes. Well, I use fries for this one. I mash it up like hash browns. And then you see in the video. You see it in the video. But yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do the next time. And yeah. All right, you guys, so this is what we're gonna be using to make the veggie sticks. Yes, I have some seasoned curly fries. I have some peas and diced carrots. I have some wet batter, and I have some cornstarch. So, all right, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get the fries mashed up, and I'll see you guys in a second. All right, y'all, so I got the fries cooking right now. So once they get softened up enough, I'm gonna go ahead and start mashing them up with the potato masher. As you can see, you guys, I already got the potatoes all mashed up. So now I'm gonna do the same thing for the diced peas and carrots. But I'm not gonna chop it up as fine as I have the potatoes, but yeah, I'm gonna do the same thing for that too. So once I add the carrots and peas in here, then I'll be right back, you guys. Alright, you guys, I got the peas and carrots in there, so I'm gonna do the same thing for those. Once they started getting a little tender, I'm gonna start mashing them up. Actually, they all kind of already are, because I let them thaw out for about 30 minutes already under some cold water. So I'm not gonna mash these up. Like I said, I'm not gonna mash these up like I did the potatoes, but I do want to get them a little mashed, and I'm gonna leave some whole. Yeah, y'all, I could have put it in a blender too, but I think if I would have put it in a blender, that would have been much faster than mashing it with a masher. But I felt like it was going to be like mince, like how you do like mince meat or something like that. I didn't want it to be too fine, but yeah, so this right here should be good enough, you guys. And I'm going to go ahead and, while I'm letting these cool off and the potatoes cool off, I'm going to go ahead and set up my workstation over here so I can go ahead and start making the veggie sticks. Alright, y'all, so this is my first time doing this, so yeah, I already flattened out some potato right here, and I'm gonna put some peas and carrots in there, and we're gonna try to get this rolled up some kind of way. And even if I don't get it perfect, you guys, it's gonna be all right, because I always trust the process. I don't look at how it is in the beginning, but I'm gonna show you guys. So this might be a little hard for me, but this is like this is how you want it to be, just like that. So once I get these done, then I'm gonna come back and show you guys, because now I have to roll it in the wet, well, I'm gonna roll it in the cornstarch first and then roll it in the wet batter. So yeah, so once I get these done, you guys, I will be right back. It looks like it's gonna try to fall apart, but I got it. I got it. Get them all together just like that. So like I said, once I get all these shaped like that, then I'll be right back. All right, you guys, so now I got the potatoes and the vegetables together. I thought I had enough potatoes mashed, so it's only gonna be 2 jumbo veggie sticks, and I'm fine with that because I'm the only one gonna be eating this. So yeah, now I'm gonna go ahead and get this rolled up the right way, and so I can roll it into the cornstarch and into the wet batter, you guys, and I'll be right back. All right, y'all, so this is how they came out, y'all. When I tell y'all I had a hard time trying to get these to stay together. I don't know exactly what I was missing, but like I said, this is my first time, so I did get them battered up, rolled up, and I placed them in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes. So now I'm going to heat up the oil, and we're going to see how they turn out, you guys. Whether it's a pass or fail, we're going to still do it. I got to get this video out for you guys. All right, y'all, so now the oil is hot. I'm gonna go ahead and place these in the pan. I did not want these to be this big, y'all, but that's how they came out. I probably could have made them smaller, but hold on. And they act like they don't want to come off the pan. I mean the plate. All right, y'all, I did get it from off the plate. Look at that. It got stuck to the bottom of the plate. I was trying to hold it together, but I'm gonna get it done. I'm gonna get this video done for y'all, and it's gonna turn out just how I want it, whether it want to or not. So we're gonna just place this side down first and let it cook. I just burnt my finger right there. I'm gonna have a whole big blister right there by tomorrow. Trying to get these freaking veggie sticks. I don't even know if I want to finish it now. That hurts. They just don't want to do right today, but I'm gonna make them. They gonna do right. I hate using. That's why I always use the deep fryer, because like this oil, I be getting burnt every single time. That's how I got these marks right there, for that same exact reason. I'm gonna place this down like this because I'm not getting burnt again. That hurts. I don't want these to cook too fast. Already cooking too fast. I want to cook that fast. I'm turning the heat down. That one might get a little bit burnt, especially on that side right there. But yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna let those go ahead and cook, you guys. And once they're done, I will be right back. All right, you guys. So these are done. They did not come out how I wanted them to, but I am still gonna try these joints out. They look so burnt, y'all. I turned the oil down, so I don't know. But yeah, y'all. So these are the veggie sticks. I'm gonna try them out.
I can see.